In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Tally. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're new to this tool. Our goal is to help you become comfortable with starting from scratch and building a form seamlessly. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Tally website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and go to the specific form section. If it's your first time, it's a good idea to spend a few moments getting familiar with the layout of the page. Knowing where each function is can save you heaps of time later on. Now, once you have the form page open, turn your attention to the interface. You'll notice a plus sign, which is your gateway to adding and managing new elements. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. It's located in such a way as to be easily accessible, so you should have no trouble finding it. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see an option to create a new page. Selecting New Page will prompt Tally to open a fresh canvas. This is essentially a blank slate for you to start customizing your form. Take a moment here to think about the structure of your form. What kind of information do you want to collect? Planning this out before diving into creation can make the entire process smoother and ensure you don't miss any crucial sections. Once you've decided on the basic structure of your form, the next step is to click on the Insert option. This is where the real building begins. With the Insert tool, you can add a variety of elements such as text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down menus, depending on what you need. Spend some time exploring these options to see how they might fit into your overall form design. Each element you insert can be customized to suit your specific requirements, so feel free to experiment. As you build your form, remember that it's all about the user's experience. Try to keep your form simple yet comprehensive, ensuring that it collects all necessary information without overwhelming the end user. Pay attention to the layout and spacing of your form elements to make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. While working on your form in Tally, periodically review what you've created. Look at it from the perspective of someone filling it out for the first time. This will help you catch any elements that may need tweaking, and once you're satisfied with your structure, you can save and share it as needed. With those steps, you've now created a form using Tally. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling confident in using this tool. If you have any questions or run into issues, there are countless resources online to assist you further. Happy